Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, let's install this transparent lace, like an HD lace. This is a curly wig and this is the final look that we're going for. Anyway, you guys, let's install like beginners. I'm gonna start like at the very start so that you understand what I'm doing over here. So as a beginner, what you'll need is a wig stand and a wig head so that you can work with your hair and you can lay down your hair properly. So what you see that I'm doing over here is that I am putting in my wax stick and I'm doing it section by section because I want my hair like flat down. So you'll see that I am doing each section and I'm opening it in smaller section because I need my wig to be flat down. Once it is this flat, can you see like how flat it is? And every piece of hair needs to be at the back, so make sure that there's nothing disturbing you, as you're seeing here on the video that I'm taking out every single little strand that is in the front. This will allow you to have a flat down and melted install with nothing that is disturbing you in front. So make sure that you don't have any strand that is sticking in the front. Can you see over there what I'm doing? So just look at that. Push back everything to the back so that there's no disturbance when it comes to your installation. So after that is done and making sure that the hair is nicely laid, I go in with some oil just to give the hair some proper shine and the shine that it needs. I'm also going in with some water with conditioner. It does not matter which conditioner it is that you're going with, so that your hair feels like nice and proper and curly as well. Combing the hair to make sure that there are no knots at all. When you're combing the hair, you guys, start from the bottom and then work your way up. On this video you can see that I'm not doing that, and that's because I've detangled the hair. But if you haven't, just start from the bottom. Going in with my aloe vera gel to make sure that the hair has the pop that it needs. Can you see that the curls are getting defined now? Anyway, let's get into installing this wig. So I've sleeked down my natural hairs in front. I used a gel to sort of like put it to the back so that it lays. Guys, when I'm installing hair, I no longer wear any wig cap because I just feel like it's a disturbance for me. However, you can wear it. Anyway, you guys, so I'm putting back my hair at the back and then I'm going in with 2 layers of Ghost Bond. So going in with the first layer and waiting for it to dry off, and while other parts are drying off, I'll just go in with the second one. That's what I'm doing over here. So going in with the second one and waiting for that to dry off as well. You can choose to use a blow dryer for this, but it has dried off now. So just putting on my wig and making sure that it is sitting exactly where I would like it to sit. You can use a comb to sort of like melt this down, or sort of like to force it to sit down properly. However, I just choose to wear a wig band, and I wear this band for like 20 to 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes I would take it off and sort of like deal with the parts that are lifting. You'll see that in my front section there are parts that are lifting. There'll always be parts that are lifting, you guys. So you just go in with a little bit of Ghost Bond as well, wait for it to dry off as well, and then after it has dried, you just put on your wig. So all of the spots that are lifting, just go in with some Ghost Bond. So this is me over here pushing the hair on the spots that have dried off, pushing it down so that it is sitting properly and it's laid down properly. So on the spots that are still wet, I'll just wait for it to dry off a little bit more. I think usually my install takes about like an hour to an hour and a half when I am installing my hair, so that I make sure everything is laid down. And because I'm not using any blow dryer, I don't like being in a rush when I'm installing my hair, so I just choose to like do it step by step so that my wig is laid down properly and that I can at least wear it for like 2 weeks if I can, maybe a week and a half, or maybe a week if I don't want it longer. But honestly, this installation can last to a week and a half as well. After wearing the band for the second time, you guys, this is how the wig looks. So I'm just going in with my spray over here to make sure if I'm not seeing any stuff or any place that is lifting, I just melt it with this particular spray to give myself like a perfect install and a perfect melt down. Dab it in until you're satisfied, dry it off a little little bit more, and then I'm going with my wig band for 30 minutes or so that I just make sure like this wig is sitting like flat down, because that's what I'm going for. And after that, you guys, this is how it looks. So now I'm just going in with my powder to sort of like hide the spots that are showing, because remember, this is a transparent lace, it's not an HD lace. Difference between an HD lace and a transparent lace is that an HD lace looks like your skin, so immediately when you put on your skin it will melt. However, with a transparent lace you need to put in more effort. It won't look exactly like an HD lace. However, a transparent lace has longevity than an HD lace, so a transparent lace lasts anything between 3 to 5 years, and an HD lace lasts anything between a year to a year and a half, just because it's thinner and it breaks much easily. Like after the first wear you'll start seeing like where it's sort of like detangling. This is the lovely install before putting on any makeup. This hair is not from Silly Hair. I know that I use Silly Hair a band, however it is not from them. This is a 360 type of wig, so that's why I can tie it up and I can tie it in a bun however that I want to tie it. So this is how the wig would look like when you're on all natural, but when you have makeup you'll see the after just now. So let me know, have you learned anything from this particular video? Do you already know how to install hair, or are you a learner? So this is sort of like the strap that indicates that this is a 360 type of wig, and this is how it looks, you guys. Love it. And this is the final look after I curled my hair. If you would like to know how I curl my hair and how I define my curls, do let me know. I'll do that in a separate video. I feel like I have finally cracked my curly wigs, and also how to make lasting curly wigs and a curly wig that is not tangling. For the longest time I wanted to know how to do that, and finally I know how to do that now. Anyway, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video so that it reaches a wider audience. Send it to that lady who does not know how to install. Bye. See you in my next upload.